Welcome back to another video, everybody. I'm glad you got notification that I got this video out. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the notification bell. Hit all so you know when I put out a new video. If you like this video, hit that likes button. Please hit that likes button. If you dislike it, go ahead and hit that dislike button. But leave me a comment down below saying why you didn't like my video. That way I can try to make things better, because I depend on you guys. I'm trying to do the best I can, and I'm not perfect, so I need your help. I'm gonna do a giveaway when I hit 100 subscribers. I'm gonna do 3 more baits. I haven't picked them out yet, but I guarantee you they're gonna be good baits that catch big fish. So help me get to 100 subscribers. Share my video with family, friends, anybody. I've met quite a few people out fishing that actually watch my YouTube channel, and I appreciate you. Thank you so very much. I'm glad that you follow me. I don't know what to say. It was great meeting you guys, and it's awesome. So, all right, without further ado, we're gonna get out here and do some fishing. So always remember, have fun, be safe, go fishing. Ah, there we go. Oh, yes. He is on there. Oh, nice one already. Not the greatest in the world, but he's on there. There we go. Yep, here we go. It is on. Oop. Calm down, little guy. Calm down. Okay. There is our first bite of the day, everyone. There we go. We are on. Oh. And he's actually gotten hurt recently. That don't look good. That don't look good. And let's get this boy back so he can get back to his life, everyone. All right, there you go. Oh, there he went. Slow, he went under the boat, but he went. As you can see, everybody, today is a very windy day. And this is early in the morning. Shoot, let me look at the clock. I'm pretty sure I've been out here for about 15-20 minutes now, and it's 8 o'clock. So I got out here before 8 o'clock. You know, so yeah, it's early, really windy today. So we're gonna do the best we can and have a lot of fun, but still be safe. So, yep. Glad you joined us. Oh, he hit it right there. Oh, we're on. Oh, he's a nice one. I think he's a nice one. Oh, he's right here by the boat. I don't see him yet. Oh, there we go. There he is. There he is. Right on. Ha ha. There we go. And the fishing is on. For sure, everyone. It is on. Okay. Yeah, that's the thing about these spinners. They get tangled up really, really easy. Yeah, see if we can't get this from the inside. There we go. Yeah, he's a nice little one. Now, man, I just can't put nothing in the right spot. Okay, alrighty. There he is, everyone. Ah, there he is. Alright. Nice little one. They're biting, no doubt about that. He's got a little mark, but he ain't nothing like that other one. There we go. And get this feller back. And there he goes. Whoop. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's a fighter. It's a fighter. Oh. Oh, where's he at? Oh, there he is. Oh, nice one too. Nice one too. Whoo! Got him right in the top of the mouth. Oh, nice one. We're gonna. Oh. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Whoo! Calm down. There we go. Ah. my spinner's all tangled up. There we go. There we go. Okay, and now my rod and reel. Nice one. We're gonna have to get a weight on this guy here. He's a pretty nice size one. Right through the top of the mouth. There we go. Let's get this buddy back. Yeah, that's a much nicer one there. Very much nice. Much nicer one. Okay. There he goes. Whoop, whoop. Shake it off. Nice. Alrighty. There we go. Oh, he hit that one right after. Oh, as soon as it hit the water. Oh, this is what I like. Them long distance battles. Ho ho, he's a big one. He feels pretty nice. He's coming up. He's coming up. There he is. There he is. Come here, boy. Come here. Ah. Woo. There we go. Yes. Oh, much nicer one. There we go. They're getting bigger. They're getting bigger. Yes. Loving it. Loving it. Ooh. Nicer one there. Oh, nice and fat. Okay, throw that out of our way there. Okay, alrighty. Let's get this boy back in case he's looking for a bed. Or her. There she goes. Off she goes. Alrighty, let's do it some more. There we go. We're on. Oh, it's a fighter. Oh, this one is a fighter. Oh, oh, I think this is a much bigger one. Well, nope, it's a fighter. He's, whoo, still a big one. Still a big one. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Woo-wee. Man, I love it. I love it, everybody. This is awesome. Ow, ow, hook's in my finger. Ow. Okay, let's get this hook out before I end up with it in my finger. Good. Nice one, everybody. Nice one. Doing good today. This one's a fat one. I think this one might be a mama. She probably getting ready to go onto her bed. There she goes. Woo, nice, nice, nice. Having fun and loving it, everyone. Oh, yep, he's on. Oh, kind of went slack. Yeah, I love them long distance fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a nice one. He's a nice one. Woo. Oh, nice, nice. Okay, let's get untangled here real quick, and then we'll deal with this baby. There we go. Huh. Oh. Ah, there we go. Alrighty. Yeah, not a huge one, but they are nice sized fish. And all right, let's get this one back. Here we go. There he goes. Nice. I love it, everybody. I do. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. Couldn't ever have a better hobby than this. That's for sure. There we go. Oh, yes. Yes, I love it. I love it. Hey, we're on again. This one's a fighter. No doubt about that. Oh, a nice one too. Really nice one. Oh, this one's long and big. Oh, definitely a weight on him. Oh, definitely. Oh, calm down, calm down, calm down. There we go. There we go. Oh, nice big one here, everybody. Woohoo! Nice big one. Ah. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Oh yeah, this one's much bigger. 1 pound, 11 ounces, everybody. like I said, they're getting bigger. Loving it. Loving it, loving it so much. I love fishing. Alrighty, they're getting bigger, everyone. Much bigger. Okay, guy, go. There he goes, back down to his hole. Woohoo! Yes.